If Messenger notifications are not showing up on your Android phone, either there is no sound or it doesn't appear on your home screen or lock screen, not even any preview, and every time you gotta open the app to get them, first let's check out the app settings. If any specific thread is muted, it'll show up with this mute icon. So you can either open the thread and then tap on turn on, or you can just hold down the thread and from this list, just unmute it. Now after that, you can go to menu, to settings, scroll down for notifications and sound. First of all, make sure it's turned on. And then, since the notification is not working, just keep toggling on all these buttons, including notification preview option. Even after this, if the notification is still not working, now we're going to check out some devices own settings. So whatever Android you're using, just go to settings. And from there, just open your notification settings. Now, every Android device have this app notification option. Just enter and find out Messenger from this app list. Now first, you gotta just enter the settings and make sure show notification is on. And then you gotta make sure to turn on all these options, including badges, floating notifications, lock screen notifications, if it's not showing up on your lock screen. And then just keep scrolling down and make sure to turn on show notifications for chats, calls, and all these other options. Just turn on all the show notification options that you find in this list. At the bottom of this list, you might get this additional settings in the app option. If you tap on it, as you can see, you'll end up in the same in-app settings that we have shown you earlier. And you can also cross-check from here. If there is anything that you've left behind, you can now turn it on from here as well. And after that, to quickly apply all these settings, just make sure to give your Android a simple restart. And after the restart, hopefully you'll get all the Messenger notifications on your home screen, lock screen with the sound on. Thanks for watching.